Step back and let's go. Watch your fingers, but you might get burned. Ooh, child. Hello, Salvies. I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time and welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is what I'm wearing, but you know what? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They're all quarantined, so I might as well look good, okay? What are you guys doing, guys? I never knew that this video I would ever record such video, because Mama always told me that, guys, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. But YouTube was like, bitch, you have to cancel that tradition and say some things. I am so tired. You guys have already seen the title. It says, Trisha Paytas, you need a time out.
And so I want to voice my opinion. I don't want to just sit down and not talk about something that's been bothering me on my channel.
I'm sorry, it's true. Guys, every time I try to stay in my lane, you know, minding my black ass, doing my thing, but for some reason YouTube kept sending me all this recommendation from Trisha Paytas, and I was like, you know what, someone has to call this girl out, because it's I want to choke this bitch already, and this video has not even started.
And it's not fair. It's like, honestly, I just don't feel like it's fair, and it's frustrating for me. Like, what can I do?
So every time I see this girl, I'm like, okay, guys, I used to watch this girl, you know. First, she was a born again. Jesus, my superstar. Then, she had this over-processed blonde. Her blonde looked so, the word bleached out, literally. And I was like, okay, Marilyn Monroe imitation. Okay, she's doing her thing, you know. And then she has this kind of, I'm a brat. I was like, okay, she's giving me brats, girls.
Hi, no problem. Oh.
I was like, okay. Mind you, she was a born again. Then later, at this point, she went for the N-word.
In my car, looking for the product, thinking every nigga is selling narcotic.
I was like, okay, this girl, you guys are giving her passes. And she just kept becoming influential. I was like, wait, what the fuck is going on? Why is this girl becoming influential? What, you know, when you see someone, you're like, okay, what's the talent behind this person being influential?
You know, like, I just, like, people talk and I'm like, I don't care.
And then you realize, nothing of substance. So I said, okay. Society, America, what's going on? Take it back. The taking back was not going on. I was like, okay, let's keep watching. And then she came for, in fact, she's transgender.
So do I think I'm transgender? Yes, 1000%. Do I identify with my natural born gender? 1000%.
I was like, you know what, bitch? I love you because I love to watch, you know, I love to watch her music, because sometimes I'm like, oh wow, you know, body positive, you know, I'm here for all body positive. So I'm like, oh yes, this girl, she's doing her. And then before even that, this girl went for, you know, she was dating someone from the dobrik group. I don't know, that group of matured people doing that group stuff. So she was in that group, and I was like, okay. Mind you, when she was with them, right, everything was fine, right? Oh, relationship and all that, they were all together. It was kumbaya. Then she and the person who already has his own kids broke up, and suddenly Trisha is like, oh no, bitch, in fact, I'm gonna expose them. They're this, they're that, they're that. I was like, this girl just reminded me of Tati, that when you break her heart, suddenly you're everything in the book. Oh!
Allegedly.
This ain't no allegedly.
Hold on. I said, okay, wait, what? Okay, I'm not understanding this chaos going on that people are, yeah! So I was looking at her, I was like, wait, if someone else from a different race does what she's doing, will they be famous or influential? I was like, no. Then I was like, oh, so check. We know why she is influential for no stupid reason.
Okay. Wait, because I'm straight and I'm white, like, I'm not allowed to have an opinion on anything?
So I was like, okay, then I saw some of her dance videos. I was like, oh, you know what? She loves dancing. You know, guys know I love dancing. I was like, okay, I'll take that. And I always use one good, you know, to cover the million bad of someone. But it has gotten to the point that I cannot even take it. And I'm that person that I'm a very open-minded person. Like,
Oh my God.
Guys, you have no idea how, like, I appreciate everyone. That's me, you know. So I was looking at this girl and I was like, okay, are you telling me that this girl, this girl is the influence of most of the future brats in the world?
I just wanted to talk to about this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Why?
Like Marilyn Monroe imitation, Anna Nicole, imitation, like this person.
Oh, double yap. Forgot you're European.
Okay, I'm watching.
Oh yeah, no problem.
It wasn't done. It continued, and I was like, okay, we have to do something about this. This girl needs a freaking time out. So after the scandal with her and that David Dobrik's house situation, the person she was dating, and I was like, oh, her heart is broken, Then suddenly, I have a video of me and my ex. I was like, wait.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Then she got married to is it Brad Pitt's cardboard. I was like, wait now, you guys stop. What is this girl being famous for being like a mess? And I was like, I'm a very happy person, but this girl, she has made me realize that I have to say something because, honey, I ain't nobody got time for that. I'm sorry.
Here I was, just minding my black business.
And then she came for the transgender community, that she's now transgender. I was like, you know what, bitch? You have crossed the line. Like, you have crossed the line when it comes to race, insults and all that. Then you cross the line when it comes to a community. Bitch, you got nerves, honey. So I was like, wait, who are your friends? Are they not letting you know that, like, you have to stop? Then I looked at her friend circle. I was like, wait. I was trying to find diversity because maybe if she has diversity in her friend group, it will help her think like a normal human being, like a wise human being, a sensible human being that knows what life is all about. And I looked at her group, I was like, no. Like I was like, oh, this makes sense.
It's just how I talk, little baby, I ain't angry.
The friends you keep is what you are. So I was looking at her friend group, I was like, oh, this bitch. I was like, you know what? I am not here for it. And people are like, oh no, that's just her style. No, bitch, this girl she needs a time out. She needs therapy. Not even therapy, like in a institution, getting her therapy. That's what she needs, because it makes no sense how someone is a human being but don't even know what it means to be a human being, like to be. No, she just blurts everything out of her mouth, like I'll be like.
It's really sad, and I feel like I'm just not gonna stand for it.
I chose to be gay, and then, it didn't really work out for me with her, and I chose to be straight again.
I'm just not going to sit back and idly by and let this happen.
I don't know if I would say I'm confused. I would say I'm all of it.
Why should I? Why should I,
So I was like, and guys, as a human being, I love this girl. So that's why I'm like, I'm done. Like, at this point, I'll be like, so when she came for the transgender community, it struck a nerve. And I was looking at her, I was like, huh? And after that, she's like, oh, people hate me now. It's like, this girl has been doing every stupid, it's like she's the female version of, she does everything that, I just want to choke her. Like, literally, that's how.
I'm sorry, but this is unbelievable.
Have someone gotten on your nerves to a point where you cannot take it any longer? Like, you love them but still cannot take them any longer. You know how you have a friendship that at some point you're like, okay, that's it. This is it. Like, if it was a friendship, I'm done. And hold on. After doing that, she got all the views she wanted. Then she's like, okay, you know what? How do I top that? This girl went for the DID community, people with disorders, that she now has multiple personalities.
I've never been diagnosed with anything. The closest thing that I have self-diagnosed myself, I guess, is multiple personality disorder.
I was like, back the fuck up, bitch. Like, back the fuck up. This makes no freaking sense to me any longer, because how can you are an influencer with almost 5 million subscribers. Do you know the platform you have? I was like, this girl, she's an entitled brat. I'm sorry, she's very entitled as a brat, and it's so freaking annoying because this girl's attitude is being promoted and is being encouraged by the YouTube recommendation for recommending videos of her to me. I'm like, YouTube, like, what were you thinking when you recommended her videos to me? And that person, when I see people go, I'm like, oh, I want to know what's the skill set behind them. So I was like, okay, I can take your music, you know, it's fun, but girl, you are a mess, like a mess that should not be promoted. Like, I'm sorry. You go for a disorder that suddenly you have multiple personalities? Are you serious right now? At this point, this girl has aggravated all the communities in this world. The only communities she has not come for is maybe disabled and people that are blind and stuff like that, and deaf. I think that's the community she has not come for yet. Or senile community, like, you know, she has not come for those communities, but I bet you she'll be coming for them real soon because it makes no sense. I'm sorry, I had to say something. And her friends, you all better do better because this girl, I don't get it. I don't know why. Trisha Paytas is influential. This girl needs a freaking time out. This girl, no.
It's just like a hard pill to swallow for me.
I'm sorry, like, it is too much. It is freaking too much. And she seems like, and then when she does mukbangs, they just, I don't know. They waste those foods. So I'm like, this girl don't even know what the world is like. She lives in this world. It's like, I don't know if she wants to be Mariah Carey, but at least Mariah Carey grew up at some point. And when she was in her 20s, I was like, okay, you know, she's in her 20s, she can be wild, doing stupid things, it's fine. She's in her 30s now and she's still acting like she's 12. I'm like, girl, you better stop. Like, you better freaking stop.
That's just how I feel.
If people are not saying this, Trisha Paytas, I just want you to know you are very toxic for the community. You are a toxic influencer and someone has to tell you like it is, okay? You have to get your shit together. You just have to, because you're too grown up to still be toxic to this environment. Like, the world already has a lot of toxicity and I thought you would use your platform to make a positive example, but no, bitch. It's like, no, like, no, girl, you better stop.
Like 100% serious.
Anyway, Trisha, girl, you need a time out. Like, so, no one is telling you, you need to hear it. You need a freaking time out. I'm not coming for you like, oh my god, I hate you. No, I love you, but girl, you need a time out. You need a friend that will tell you like it is. Like, because all the people you have around you, yeah, they are just blowing, they are just gaslighting you because you don't even know.
It's not gonna be okay.
No, you've gotten enough passes. You need a freaking timeout. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I just have to say something because whenever YouTube sends me this recommendation of Trisha Paytas, I just them because, like, literally to the point I'm like, okay, I can't. You go for that. You have multiple personalities. People that suffer from that. Do you know how that feels? You don't even comprehend what they're going through. So please don't. Before you put anything out or do anything stupid and silly for a 30-something-year-old, you better think freaking twice, because at this point there are no more passes for you. I'm out. Bye, guys. Whew.
Thank you.